Hello. 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 Who are you? Hey? Hello. There's a little one. Hello. I'm just driving past. I thought, quick, scope some horses. Hello. Don't eat me. I just beckoned them over. I thought, oh, get some horses on my scope. Can't see my screen now. Is anybody there? Give it a carrot. Yeah, I haven't got anything. I've just done a quick scope around the corner, and I've just been there. Come on, smile for scope. Yeah, there's a sign here. I think it just says these horses. These horses have 12 hay nets a day, a feed every morning, and fresh water daily. If you have any concerns, please contact their owner. I'm back again. Just going around the corner. I thought, oh, some horses. Let's scope some horses while we're in the countryside. Hello, everybody. I just thought, oh, some horses. Scope the horses. Just looking for some food. Yeah, just another quick scope, showing you the horses. That's what you do with Periscope. It's just you just drive past normally, but let's just see what I can show you. Ooh, let me just get around the corner. That's better. All these spontaneous scopes. There's a little horse, and they're all related. Just in a little short scope, I just saw horsey. Let's get the horses. Hello, Piano Man's here. Hello, Piano Man. Is the reception okay? I'm just in the middle of the English countryside. Look, I've just shown your eyes at Walton's cottage. He wrote The Complete Angler in 1651. Just showing you his cottage that's still here as a museum. And then I've just seen some horses. I thought I'd just scope these horses. Just on my way to do a canal walk if you just follow me. I'll do a canal walk in about half an hour. Show you some of the nice, might see some canal boats going through some locks. You just never know if you have any viewers on a Sunday with it being the weekend. That's it, just a short scope of the horses, and then I'll canals and then have a nice canal walk. See what the sign says. We're just getting through a little village. Oh, Chebsey. We're in Chebsey. There we are. Chebsey Parish Council. Yeah, right next to a railway. Hello, Emmy. Nice to see you here. Just doing a few scopes. Just driving past these horses. I thought I'd do a scope of some animals. Hello. I've got nothing for you. Oh, there's another train. Right now, the main railway line, goes to London. That's the main West Coast main line. Oh, what's that noise then? Oh dear. Yeah, I mean, Rich plays the piano. Yay. Thanks for inviting, Piano Man. Oh, hello. Don't try and eat my phone. How's everybody doing? Just another sunny day in the UK. Another sunny day. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm just trying to find some interesting things to Periscope. Right. If you just follow me, check for notifications, try and do daily scopes. I'll just end this one now, and I'll just show you as a British Met letterbox. If you want to post anything, that's the British letterbox. Say bye to Periscope. Yeah, lovely. It's just nice. It isn't hot. It's just nice and sunny. Right, I'll end it there, folks. I've just got a few errands to run. I'll do another canal scope in about an hour. Stay safe, everyone. See you on the next one. Bye.